Welcome back to another YouTube video, y'all, and it's Ben Trades back at it again. Ben Futures, whatever you want to call me. Today we will be talking about the best NinjaTrader and TradingView indicators for mostly TradingView, but the best NinjaTrader and TradingView indicators for futures. If you want to start to get to trade and you just use TradingView, I do want to drop a video for you guys too. This will kind of go a little bit into my strategy, but I'm going to make a whole separate video for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to talk about here, there's only two that you really need. I know a lot of people like to have multiple indicators, there's really only two that you need. For me, I have my targets based on highs and lows of the market. So let's say, for example, if New York Open started here, I would expect it to bounce or to continue. So if it drops, then it makes a new low, for example. Or for example, boom, we go through here, we go through New York lunch, New York PM, Asia, and we tap New York AM lows, and you like to see a reaction off of that. You could have caught a cool 40 points just based on that. So a lot of the times we do like to tap levels. You will notice that. So you drop down, I'll drop the indicator down below in the bio, but I do want to show, for example, we dropped down here, made a low, continued, rallied back, tapped the high of this session, and then reversed. So a lot of the times you'll notice, like if you see like key levels, like all-time lows or all-time highs or wherever it may be, you would get a reaction off of that. Like today, I was gonna take a trade off of a sweeping London lows. We got the sweep, it projected a little higher, but then we closed down here, and then Trump. So luckily I didn't enter for that reason, but a lot of the times I like to trade using high and lows. This is very, very important because these are where a lot of limit orders are placed, where a lot of people are trying to get into the market, and where you'll notice reversals really quickly. So once the area is swept, price sweeps that low, then we notice a reversal to upside super quick. As you could see here, this was a Trump tweet, so I'm not even, like, if you bought here, you were set, but I don't really even count that as a trade because it happens all the time. But yeah, so you'll see here you get that level swept. This is called ICT kill zones. It also marks out the sessions, the New York AM, the highs and lows of the market. I recommend these. These are my settings for this indicator right here. Style and visibility. You can slow the video down, you can pause it, do whatever you like, so you could use that indicator for yourself. Now, another one that I like to use are smart money concepts. For me, this shows where liquidity is in the market, or where big orders are placed, or where there's been like a whole bunch of liquidities and limit and orders placed there. So like when I expect something like this to get swept, like I would wait for like a pullback, enter in the market, boom, that's my take profit. It's the high of the New York lunch session and there's liquidity there. So I'm expecting that to get swept. Those two things line up. If the market is bullish, boom, 40 points, it's possible that we could do that. But I do like to trade based on where liquidity is, and target those areas, because that's what we like to look for when we're in a trade. You want to be able to do that at all times. It is called smart money concepts. You also have change of character right here, equal lows, equal highs. You will have break of structure, again, change of character. So all these different things, for smart money concepts, I definitely recommend to do that. Everyone knows what that is. Nothing new. If you're trading, these are the two best indicators I recommend for TradingView, and that's how you use them. the only last thing I would want to say is if you do, there's a link in the bio for NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader, if you get that, it's completely free. I do get affiliated from it. It helps support the channel. But we'll go to precisionindicators.com. Here you'll see my website. You will also have an order panel. You would have a signal engine and a news notifier. If you want me to drop the actual, because I have session highs and lows too, if you want me to drop that there, I can and I will. So it might be free, just like the candle countdown is also free indicator. I'll just do it. It helps you know when the market's about to open or close the candle. Super helpful for timing your entries, right? So these also help for a NinjaTrader too. Definitely free. You could click the link in the bio to get it, or you can scroll down and tap here and we'll go straight to the NinjaTrader website. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow this channel for more.